In this lecture, we will study the external features of Columba livia. Columba livia is commonly called as rock pigeon in India. Here, the structure of pigeon is described with some points. First, we will see the shape, size, and coloration. Here, the body of pigeon or Columba livia, it is compact, fusiform, or it is boat shaped and streamlined. It is well adapted for rapid flight and it offers minimum resistance to air. Here, the blue rock pigeon is slightly smaller than the common house crow. It is commonly called as common house crow and it measures about 33 centimeter in length. This pigeon, it is a very beautiful bird. It is a slaty grey bird with glistening metallic green and purple sheen on its upper breast and around the neck region. Eyes and feet are pink in color. The rump or posterior region of back, it is ash colored but it is not white. Then there are two prominent black bars on the wings. Here this is the shape, size and coloration in the pigeon. Then we will study its external feature in view of its body or division of body. The body of pigeon, it is distinctly divided into four parts: head, neck, trunk and tail. First we will study head region. Head is small in proportion to the body, somewhat rounded and mobile. Head bears beak, nostrils, eyes, auditory aperture. We will study these one by one. First, beak. Anteriorly, the head is drawn out into a short, straight and pointed bill or beak formed by the elongated upper and lower jaws. There are no teeth in the two jaws which remain covered with horny sheath, and this horny sheath is called as rhampotheca. The terminal slit-like mouth, it is bounded by the horny beaks and it forms a wide gap. Then nostrils. At the base of upper beak, it opens the two slit-like external nares or they are called as nostrils. Each nostril is dorsally overhung by a small whitish swollen area of barren soft sensitive tissue. It is called as operculum or commonly called as cirri. It is considered some sort of receptor organ and it is useful in lovemaking, but it is not proved scientifically. Nostrils can apparently be closed by this cirri. Then eyes. Behind the cirri, there are located a pair of large lateral and rounded eyes. Each eye is guarded by an upper and a lower eyelid, and it is transparent third eyelid or nictitating membrane, and this membrane is drawn independently across the eyeball from the anterior upper corner of the orbit. The eyelids are bare without eyelashes and eyebrows. Then next part of head region, it is auditory aperture. A little below, behind each eye, there is an external ear opening. It is called as auditory aperture. Then this hidden under the spatial auricular feather, and this leads into a short tube called as external auditory meatus. This is closed by the tympanic membrane. Then second part of body, it is neck. Neck is long and cylindrical. It is made up of very flexible by the modified cervical vertebrae. This neck serves for the handling food and compensates for the conversion of forelimbs into wings. Then third part, trunk. The trunk is compact, stout, and it is spindle shaped. Mid-ventrally, it bears a prominent bony ridge called as keel or carina, and this a large and transversely elongated cloacal aperture opens ventrally at the hind end of the trunk. This trunk is further differentiated into anterior thorax, to which the wings are attached, and posterior abdomen part, to which the legs are attached. And the last part is tail. The tail, it is a very small, stumpy, conical projection of the trunk beyond the cloacal aperture, and it forms the true tail or uropygium.